Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I got something in my mailbox here at the house. It's an eBay purchase, and it is a fantastic knife. I've never seen one of these before. I know the maker very well, but I've never seen a pocket knife like this that they made. So, and look what I got. The Queen Cutlery toothpick. This was made between 1973 and 1975, according to my book. Let's see what this is. Look here. Razor sharp. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty right there. Match stripe. Look what it is. It is a Western USA. It's got a broke tip. I want to work on this lock too. Needs to be cleaned up. You see that right there? Western. Ain't this cool? There's a engraving on that. This is a beautiful knife. Wood handle. You see that Western right there? Ain't that cool? Look at that. USA. I might have come from the top down as much as I can and come up from the bottom a little bit and maybe grind a little bit of that off. Get that tip below the handle here. But I absolutely love that knife. See how skinny it is? It's a heavy knife now. You about need a sheath for it. I'm sure it comes with a sheath. But this is a beautiful knife. I'm going to have to research this one here. But Big J, at Big J's Knives, I know you're going to love this knife when I get done with it. I'm going to give it this initial cleanup with my fabric wheel. I don't use any type of polish on this whatsoever. It's kind of like an SOS pad. It don't really hurt the knife at all. I wouldn't do it on plastic or wood though. That's the only thing I wouldn't use it for, because it will grind through it. Alright, it cleaned up pretty good. The blade did real good. I'm gonna polish it up and get the rest of that stuff off. Get the wire brush and clean all that out. Yeah, it's gonna clean up nice. Much as I can do with that, I might get a screwdriver and scrape that and sandpaper, 400 grit, clean the rest of it up. But it cleaned up pretty good. See that right there? Nothing but trash. I think it's full of gook right here, where the spring goes up and down. See all that? Look at that. That's why I like these little screwdrivers. This knife is so deep, I happen to use a screwdriver to push that paper towel down in there. It's getting clean now, though. See that right there? Beautiful. Now all I gotta do is polish her up, put a new tip on it. I really love this stuff. Thank you again, James. All right, it's cleaning up good. Now the only thing we can do is put a tip on it. All right, again, guys, we're going to be coming from the top down. A little bit of a from the bottom up. Try to meet a little bit past the middle there, downward. Then we're going to grind some of this down in order to get the tip below that handle here. It's going to be a surgery. Okay, fantastic job. See that edge? It's beautiful, ain't it? See that edge? And it's sharp too. Man, that good old steel. I love these old knives. Okay, guys. Now we're just gonna hone it up a little bit. Let the weight of the knife do the work. You don't want to grind it. You just walk it across the sharpener. Pretty cool. It's sharp enough for me. Here it is, guys. Western 5-532. Has stainless steel springs, nickel plated bolsters, brass liners, lock back spring, lock blade, match stripe thumb pull. There it is right there. This knife was started in 1977. The first 2 years had Western on the blade, which this one does. And the first year, 1977, had patent pending. So this is a 1977 Western lock blade knife. It is absolutely gorgeous. Feels really good in the hand. It's heavy too. It's a heavy knife. I'm gonna have to look for me a sheath for it. This is what the sheath looked like right here. I might look for me one. But ain't nothing wrong with it now. And guys, if you didn't know it, you wouldn't even know it was broke. Look at that point. Look at that edge. Beautiful. And that name did come off. Polished it. I'd rather have that on there than that name scribbled in there. It's just something about having a name on one of my knives that ain't my name. I'm not going to put my name on a knife. I sure don't want somebody else's name on my knife. So I had to get it off of there. It don't look bad at all. But that's a great knife, great find. And these knives go, guys, for anywhere, depending on how good they are, $50 to $200 on eBay. I gave $15.50 plus shipping. I ended up paying like $22, $23 for this knife. It's pretty, very pretty, very sharp. something I wouldn't carry in my pocket because it's so heavy, but I would wear it on my side like in a sheath. So I might have to find me a sheath for it. Okay guys, you can hear it's raining. It's still cool outside. But I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today, guys. It's just, this is what I love to do. I had to go ahead and do it. I got it in today. I had to go ahead and repair it because I've been waiting on this knife for about a week now. I just bought another knife, a buck fixed blade knife with a broke tip. It should be in maybe Saturday or next week sometime. It's a nice buck knife. I'll have to show that to you. I paid a little bit for it now, but brand new, they're about $100. So anyway, I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, I'll be like a good knife. Stay sharp.